Happy Wednesday all. If you missed the past 24 hours in crypto and stocks, here's your full recap. Bitcoin blasted past $93,000 and is now trading around 93,600 with 180 billion added to the crypto market cap. And here's a wild stat. Over 10 billion in short positions will get liquidated when Bitcoin hits 100,000. So the bears are really sweating right now. Total spot Bitcoin ETF volume surpassed 5.1 billion, which shows massive institutional interest. And Bank of America officially recommended clients put up to 4% of their portfolio in Bitcoin and crypto, which is a huge endorsement from traditional finance. BlackRock CEO Larry Fink said tokenization today is roughly where the internet was in 1996, which is a pretty bold comparison that suggests we're still incredibly early. President Trump had a lot to say, calling for no income tax at some point in the not-too-distant future, calling Fed Chair Jerome Powell incompetent and a real dope, demanding the Federal Reserve cut interest rates next week, and introducing former Coinbase advisor Kevin Hassett as the next potential Fed Chair, with odds of Trump announcing his new Fed Chair this year surging to 82%. Chances for a Fed rate cut next week spiked to 91% on Polymarket, so the market is definitely expecting action. $4 billion 21 Capital CEO Jack Mallers said buy every dip because the US can't afford falling asset prices and they have to print, which is basically saying the money printer is inevitable. SEC Chair Paul Atkins said an innovation exemption for crypto firms is coming in a month or so. Grayscale Research said Bitcoin could set new all-time highs in 2026 and is unlikely to follow the 4-year cycle. And $11 trillion Vanguard just listed BlackRock, Fidelity, VanEck, and other Bitcoin ETFs on its website for clients to trade, which is massive distribution. In tech news, Amazon launched a new AI chip to rival Nvidia and Google, claiming it's more cost-efficient. China's DeepSeek is challenging Google DeepMind with a new AI model. Nvidia and AWS deepened their partnership with new cloud and AI integrations. And Tesla released new video of their Optimus humanoid robot showing off its running capabilities. Kalshi prediction market raised $1 billion at an $11 billion valuation. Kalshi co-founder Luana Lopez Lara became the youngest self-made female billionaire in history, surpassing Taylor Swift and Lucy Guo. Saudi Public Investment Fund is set to acquire a 93% stake in Electronic Arts. Assets in money market funds crossed above $8 trillion for the first time. And CrowdStrike reported strong Q3 numbers with ARR up 23% year over year. Over in the altcoin world, XRP reclaimed a $130 billion market cap. Ethereum reclaimed $3,000. ETF clients bought $89.65 million worth of XRP, bringing total ETF-held assets to $723 million. Aave is set to launch on Mantle, extending its lending protocol to the network's 70 million plus users. Dell price rallied nearly 50% as the team announced testnet is only days away. Coinbase is listing Solana-based JUP, a group of 10 European banks, including ING and BNP Paribas, formed a company to launch a euro-pegged stablecoin in the second half of 2026. Kraken is acquiring Bakkt to accelerate tokenized equities expansion. MetaMask introduced Transaction Shield, guaranteeing subscribers against loss up to $10,000 per month. Uniswap Labs announced a Revolut on-ramping partnership, and Ethena Labs announced USDE is now available on hyperliquid spot and perpetual markets. If you enjoyed this daily roundup, make sure to follow me and I'll see you tomorrow.